That is genius. Why didn't I think of that? What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and as always, thanks so much for clicking on this video. So guys, in today's episode, I am in the middle of yet another trade with DerekMarr, which I just received his package. So what I'm giving up for what is in this package is sitting right here, guys. This is my Nissan Skyline GTR, the BNR 32. This thing is super clean, guys, and I want to show you just real quick out of the box how near perfect this card is. I don't even think it even has one soft edge on it. But this is what is going to DerekMarr for what is in this package. I've definitely pushed off trading this car out because it is one of my favorites within my supers. But what he sent me, I feel personally it was worth it. So he's going to be getting this very soon for what is in this box. Now, I know he told me he threw in some freebies, so I'm actually pretty stoked and excited to see what is in this box. So, of course, guys, I'm going to get straight to it, and let's open this box up. Guys, let's see. Happy late birthday. Threw in a few goodies. My man hooking me up. All right, guys, so let's see what we got in here. Oh, I can see some super fast stuff. Ooh, what is this? I see a couple loose actually. Ooh, look at that. I don't have this color variation. You got the, looks like 2007 GT500. Yep, 2007 Shelby GT500 in the classic white with the blue stripes. Check this out. That's going to go nicely right up there. Like there's another loose cast. What is this? Oh, that's kind of cool. You got the Redskins. It's like a premium car almost. It is the, ooh, it's another upper deck. So he had seen and commented the fact that I had the Dallas Cowboys in there. So he threw in the Redskins, which is actually really cool because they're no longer called the Redskins. They are just the Washington football team. So that's actually really, really cool. And it's very close to the color of my actual Mustang. So that's actually pretty sweet too. So really good detail on the back. You can see right there. That's really nice. All right, so let's get to the dent packages right here. This is the one that I was really, really looking forward to. Oh, and it looks like he threw in something else. Check this out. This is super sick. This is the 1980 Porsche 911 Turbo in the gray with the red livery on there. That is so clean. Now, I know I've passed up the blue one, but I really wanted it to go with this one. But check this out. It even has the power grab box with it. So now I just need the bluish purple one, and I'll have the variations of that. This thing is super sick. Here we go, guys. We got another recolor of the Volkswagen Golf GTI in red for the Momo series. I do have the yellow one right here, which I think is super clean as well. So now I have the red variation of that. So thank you so much for sending that one. And let's see. Hold on. I got to get the blade again. All right. Everything is just well packaged. I love seeing it like that. It looks super clean. Now this is the cool one I definitely like. Check out this error, guys. There's no wheels on the front, and it is not an unspun cast, so it hasn't been tampered with. And the blister, of course, is intact. There has been no altering of it, so that is actually a really cool error for you error collectors out there. That is actually really sweet. Now with these right here, guys, I already knew this was going to be in the package, but he did throw in some freebies. I don't believe I was expecting the Golf GTI, and I definitely wasn't expecting these, so that was definitely a good bonus. This one right here, guys, the Custom 12 Ford Mustang with the Falcon livery in silver. You guys know I have the other two variations, which I had to order off Amazon, and they are right here. You got the Kmart exclusive in black, you got the blue and green, and now I have the silver variation. This thing is super clean. I definitely do like the Falcon liveries. That just looks so nice. All right. Keep dropping stuff. I'm always dropping things. You guys get that? When you get all excited, you start dropping cards. And look at what he did, guys. This is actually super creative. He put a blister there. That way, when this card was actually sent out, it actually had the support so the card wouldn't get bent. That is genius. Why didn't I think of that? Here we go, guys. The Red Edition 68 Shelby GT500. I've been wanting this thing for so long, and I've never been able to get my hands on it. As well as the McLaren P1 for the Red Edition. This one has definitely been hard for me to even see in my area, and I always see people post about it all the time. I guess I got all the Red Editions after this release, but I really wanted this one so bad, and that's why I say, guys, these cars, to me, personally felt it was worth the trade for the Super Treasure Hunt of the Skyline GTR. But this thing is really, really nice. So it's going to fit in perfectly, as always, with all the other Mustangs I have. And then this one, guys. I've been waiting for this one to complete my 2005 Ford Mustang set. The only one I'm missing is, of course, this variation of the Super Treasure Hunt. But at this point, I already had a spot saved right there. And now I will have all the color variations of the 2005 Mustang. And there we go, guys. That set is finally complete, minus the Super Treasure Hunt. But you got right here, and I have it in release order. So this was the very first release in this really deep metallic blue. Then you got the gray. Then I got this new blue Hot Wheels race team, the Kmart exclusive, the black, Kroger exclusive, the yellow, and finally the green. So I finally have all the variations of the 2005 Mustang. And I'm going to say it again, guys, that is why I thought this trade was worth it on my end, because these are just casts that I've never been able to get my hands on. Of course, I can go to the collector store, but I'm going to pay collector prices, or I can just trade something I already have for these amazing pieces. So I definitely think this error is super sweet. I got to send this to Mike Zarnock. He always likes when I send him errors or variations of cast. So I'll definitely send a picture of that to him. And then, of course, I'm super stoked to get another color variation of the Golf in red. So, Derek, thank you so much for the awesome, awesome cast with this trade. Derek, I'll be sending this out to you probably by Tuesday, because this weekend I'm pretty busy, and then of course Monday being a holiday. But I can't wait for you to get this one. I'm going to throw in a bonus. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but that is how I do it. You throw in some extra goodies for me to help me on my end. I'm going to do the same thing for you. But again, thank you for the birthday wishes, as well as everyone else who wished me happy birthday. It was actually a great day. Great casts that I've received over the past few days. Stay tuned for Monday. I actually went peg hunting today and found some goodies, but I'm not going to release that upload until Monday. So you'll be seeing this tonight. So you'll be seeing this one first. The peg hunting video is going to be released Monday. That way content continues to flow weekly. I try to post at least 2 videos a week, one being a peg hunt or mail call, and then Fridays are always free at Friday. So that is all I got, guys. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel so you can stay tuned for future videos and you don't miss out on some epic trades or mail calls, peg hunts, and free Fridays. So if you want to check out those videos, look in the description box down below. I have those links readily available for you guys. So again, thank you for watching, and of course, until next time, guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.